Why is safety and well-being in schools and colleges so critical? A question that may seem obvious, but its importance cannot be overstated. Let's delve into the various facets of this concern, providing potential solutions along the way. First off, preventing dangerous activities is paramount. Schools and colleges worldwide employ comprehensive safety protocols to ward off hazardous behaviors and actions. Regular security assessments, surveillance, and anti-bullying programs can go a long way in creating a safer environment. Next, we focus on the protection of teachers and students. Teachers need training to recognize signs of danger, manage emergencies, and create a secure classroom atmosphere. Additionally, promoting open communication between teachers and students can expedite the reporting of suspicious behavior. Protection against harassment is another vital area. Schools should conduct awareness programs about sexual harassment, its various forms and reporting procedures. Empowering students, particularly girls, with knowledge about their rights, self-defense techniques, and the importance of reporting any form of harassment is crucial. The selection of well-rounded students also contributes to a safer environment. Schools should adopt holistic evaluation methods, considering not just academic achievements, but also extracurricular activities and character. Promoting an inclusive atmosphere reduces the chances of dangerous behavior as students feel valued and respected. Identifying warning signs is another essential step. Teachers and parents should be vigilant about sudden behavioral changes in children. Increased aggression, withdrawal, or secrecy could indicate underlying issues. Additionally, addressing the growing concern of cyberbullying through education on responsible online behavior and reporting mechanisms is fundamental. Encouraging responsible dating is another aspect. Schools should conduct programs that educate students about healthy relationships, consent, and the consequences of harmful behaviors. Providing counseling services can offer students a safe space to discuss personal issues. Societal solutions are also necessary. Engaging parents, community leaders, and local authorities can foster a collaborative approach to address societal issues affecting schools. Advocating for strong policies against harassment and violence can ensure a legal framework for dealing with these issues. Building a supportive culture is just as important. Accessible counseling services within schools can create a supportive environment for students facing challenges. Initiating peer support programs can help students feel more connected and less vulnerable. Lastly, fostering empathy and respect can make a significant difference. Integrating these values into the curriculum can promote a culture of understanding and acceptance. Emphasizing diversity education can help build a tolerant and inclusive society. Addressing societal issues demands a collective effort from educational institutions, families, and communities. Take steps to create a safe and nurturing environment for students. It ensures their well-being and contributes to building a healthier society. After all, the children are our future, and their safety should be our priority.